friends, Mr. Scott here today, taking time with you for our reading lesson to notice when nonfiction authors organize information using cause and effect. Now, it is important as we learn to recognize cause and effects text structures that we are better able to understand relationships that have causes and effects, such as causal relationships. Now, we'll also better understand nonfiction writers because we're going to see how they have decided to best present this kind of information. We have a couple examples today. So as we look here at the chart for today, we'll see that we have the cause, which is something that makes something else happen. And we also have the effect, which is something that happens because of a cause. So we have two texts we'll go through here today. The first one I'm actually going to bring up on Epic Books. It is called How Can We Reduce Household Waste? So here's the cover, and then here's the table of contents. Again, you can always stop and pause if you need to. Or let's see here, I'm going to go forward to a page here. I'm going to read a couple pages here of this book. And let's think about how the author organized the information on these pages, as well as what are the pages about. Okay? So we will start here on page 25, where it says, soaps and shampoos are not dangerous when you are cleaning yourself. But what happens after you use these products? Well, liquids get rinsed down the drain. Over time, the chemicals in these products build up in the environment. So you can see here, antibacterial soap has chemicals that cause damage to plants and animals. Regular soap is just as effective. Effects of pollution from cleaning products. Water treatment plants clean up much of the water that goes down the drain, but some chemicals remain. These chemicals can hurt fish and other animals that live in the water. Some cleaning products spray chemicals into the air. People who use these chemicals may develop asthma. This condition makes it difficult to breathe. Cleaning chemicals build up in the atmosphere too. Over time, this can also cause health problems for people. And you can see here water treatment plants have separate holding tanks for different steps of the cleaning process. Fascinating stuff. Okay? So now, what are the the causes that are talked about here in this book? Well, cleaning products are washed down the drain. So here we have the cause. Cleaning products are washed down the drain. So what is the effect of that? What is the effect of cleaning products being washed down the drain? Animals and people have health problems. Okay, so again, we have here a cause and an effect from our first text. How can we reduce household waste? Now, our second text here that we are going to see how information is organized into cause and effect is Parrots over Puerto Rico. Okay, so I'm going to read a page here, and then I want us to think about how the author organized the information, as well as even what was the cause and what were the effects, right? So I have here page 28 on Parrots over Puerto Rico, which says, Hurricane Hugo roared through the treetops of Puerto Rico in 1989. Iguaca, Iguaca! the parrots called as the winds blew down many of their tall trees. The hurricane wiped out crops and wrecked buildings and homes. In the Avery, the scientists worried about all the parrots. What if another bad hurricane blew down more trees? What if the aviary was damaged? Okay, so organized in cause and effect fashion. Not exactly like this in the book, but as you're reading, it is organized as such. So what is the cause? Hurricane Hugo. Oops. Okay, and what is the effect from Hurricane Hugo? Buildings, homes, and trees destroyed. Okay. So again, we took time to notice when nonfiction authors organize information using cause and effect. Here's what cause means. Here's what effect means. So it's this relationship. Okay. The effect happens because of a cause. Okay. So here's the cause. Here's the effect. Here's the cause. Here's the effect. All right, so today we'll be reading again another nonfiction, and we'll think about how the information in your book is organized. When you find a page or a section in your book that's organized using cause and effect, again, make sure you take note of that and be ready to share. All right, hope you have fun looking for causes and effects in your nonfiction text today. Mr. Scott out.